All right, the past few days has been pretty good. Looks like Bitcoin is holding above the previous swing high of 50K. So hopefully we close above this level by the end of today. That will be a great bullish sign. And then after that, the next level to overtake is 60K. So it looks like we're heading that way. Tomorrow there will be a FOMC meeting, so we will see if they come out with a good news or bad news. If it's good news, there's no doubt that it's gonna overtake this 60K level. But other than that, nothing too crazy. Bitcoin's green, therefore all the other altcoins are also green. All right, so today we're just gonna go through a few news. So we got Ton Blockchain getting a layer 2. At the recent Ethereum community conference, they announced Ton application chain as a layer 2 for Ton, the open network. All right, so this new layer 2 chain will let Ethereum based apps connect with Ton, and then it's designed to expand the current Ton's ecosystem beyond just Telegram. There's one thing to keep in mind, that the Ton Foundation has nothing to do with this. So this is built by a separate group of developers. Major players like OKX and Coinbase have already launched their own layer 2 networks like Base, which is a layer 2 for Ethereum. Telegram integrations of dApp is gaining a lot of traction, with mini games like Notcoin and Hamster Combat quickly becoming popular. With the current price action that we see from Ton, along with this layer 2 news, I think this is bullish news for Ton holders. What do you think? BONK has outshined all the other meme coins from the top 100 cryptocurrency with a 25% surge. In the past 24 hours, BONK just took off 25% out of nowhere, moving its market cap to now $1.8 billion, overtaking Dot with Hat. And the latest spike could be because of a proposal from BONK DAO to burn 84 billion tokens, reducing the supply and driving up the demand. Other meme coins also see significant price increase like Pepe, Doge, and Shiba. And the meme coin market cap has increased by 7% in the past 24 hours. This rally also comes from Bitcoin price recovering, boosting traders and investors' confidence into buying altcoins and other meme coins. But do you think the dip is over, or is this just a fake out for further downside? So you know Solana co-founder Anatoly, he has a game-changing idea. He suggests that meme coin creators should give grants to developers to improve their project. Meme coins are known for creating millionaires overnight, but can also lead to massive losses due to scams. Solana is a popular network for meme coins because of its low transaction fees and the fact that we got Pum.fun. It's so much easier to just create a meme coin. His idea is to reverse the ICO process, where developers get grants to build useful features for meme coins. This could help attract more retail users and institutional investors to the meme coin market. The fact that it can help meme coins more safe and prevents the rug pulls. Andre from Phantom also support this idea to make meme coins safer and more innovative. So what do you think? Do you think that's gonna help making meme coins safer, or is this just gonna be a waste of time and money? All right, here we go again with Germany governments continue to sell Bitcoin. They sold like 951 million worth of Bitcoin just in a single day. And that has been the largest single day liquidation. Earlier on Monday, the government sold over 1,500 Bitcoin that's worth 87 million just in 1 hour. They also sold another 5,200 Bitcoin shortly after that. Despite these sales, Germany still holds over $1.3 billion in Bitcoin. The price has dropped 18% within the past 30 days, currently trading at 56K. And the fact that the German government still selling has been contributing to this decline in price since the all-time high of $73,000. As long as we keep ranging within this level, then Bitcoin might see some better days. No crazy prediction, but we continue to monitor the price day by day. All right, in other news, we have sentencing for former FTX execs Gary Wang and Nishat Singh is scheduled for later this year. Wang's hearing is on November 20th and Singh's is on October 30th. Both pleaded guilty to charges related to FTX collapse, including fraud and money laundering. Then we got Germany. Okay. This is a screenshot of Germany's Bitcoin wallet showing that they're moving their Bitcoin to the exchange to dump on us. VanEck and 21 Shares, these are like the two Wall Street asset managers they have amended their filing for a spot Ethereum ETFs. And the US and the SEC is expected to approve these filing sometimes this summer. Well, summer is almost over, so they better hurry up. And looks like Bitwise also filed its own registration for Ethereum ETF last week. So these are good news. As long as we have these news coming and less bad news that drives the price down, then I still believe that we're gonna see a higher Bitcoin price by the end of this year. And then we got Trump coming in hot too, so we'll see about that. But that is all for today's video. I've been Nugget. Later.